More UFO footage released by the U.S. Department of Defense. That's how you know it's real, when the department gives it to you.
Yeah. This happened in the Middle East, apparently.
U.S. Pentagon yesterday, Department of Defense shared video below of strange spheres zipping around above an unidentified location in the Middle East. The footage was captured by a surveillance drone. Video is unavailable.
Oh, man, that sucks.
What?
Because I was just watching it like 2 hours ago.
Well, who was the uploader, and why is it not available in your country? Where's your
VPN?
Where's your NordVPN, dude? Where's your ExpressVPN? What's going on here?
Let me try to find it again.
Give me the footage. Yeah, that'll work. Global news has to work. That's local. Oh, here we go. You want Sky News. All right. Ooh.
It looks like some sort of metal ball that was going really quickly across the field there.
Metallic orb. Caught by a drone. Some type of missile. Oh, it's moving a little weird.
Yeah, so they try to track it.
This is better than your balloon from yesterday. Way better. This camera, though, is also on a... It's not on a plane. It's on a structure. I'm trying to figure out how it's being captured.
What do you mean?
Like this camera that is capturing this footage.
It's footage in the air, maybe like a drone?
Oh, a drone, correct. Oh, they said that. That's right. It is a drone. So this is the tough part. The drone is moving. The object is moving. The shape of the object, I would describe it also as a metallic orb. And it's hard to tell, but it seems like it's moving parallel to the ground as opposed to dipping severely from an altitude perspective. It could be some type of projectile. This was in 2022, by the way. They just decided to release it now. Why are they releasing these things? They're like, hey, anybody got any ideas? Suggestions? Let's see what the top comment says on this. It's about time they invaded and sort out the warmongers on our planet. Okay. My personal experience was similar off the California coast, 2014. Orb-looking object traveling at similar speed just above the ocean water. A falling pod after being released from an aircraft, and zoom in on to give the impression its size does not change with distance. A lot of speculation going on. If you were to imagine some sort of alien transport, it would be some sort of like simple object that you don't even have to spot any kind of propulsion. It would just be using like magnetic force or something.
Yeah.
I think many imagine such things existing. If they were to exist, they would exist in that way.
Sure.